Hi, I'm Christy. Today I want to talk to you about AI and ebooks. When I first got started online about 2011, um, I found out that I could write an ebook like in a day. What's an ebook? Ebook is just like a book online. It can be like 10 pages, 15, 30, and super easy to do with whatever computer that you have. I have a MacBook and I like to use Pages, so I usually use Pages. You can also use Canva, which is super easy now. You can do docs in canva.com. It's a free site. And I remember back when it was around, fast forward 2 years, 2013, and I desperately needed to make enough money that I didn't want to have to go back to substitute teaching or teaching full time. Um, I really wanted to work online. I just wanted to be able to take my laptop wherever my kids wound up, or if I got remarried, wherever, that took us. Okay. And my dream came true, really. And it started with a little book of poems I wrote, and it sold one time for $37. And it literally took me probably 70 something days because I wrote one every day. I compiled it, went to this conference, paid $5,000, and he taught me how to put it online. Um, a guy who's still a marketer, awesome, Matt Basak, taught me how to put it online, and it sold when I got home while I was asleep to some guy in Singapore. And I think that's the only copy I ever sold. Um, but it showed me the possibility of writing an ebook information, because I thought, why would anybody buy what I wrote? But they did. Now, fast forward to 2024, 2025, and now you can actually go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a book for you. And it literally writes it in seconds, not minutes, seconds. Never seen anything like it. It's crazy. But I would encourage you, as others have encouraged me, go in, just make it like an outline, a draft, and then add the human touch, add your voice, add your own story to it, and make it unique. Um, you can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite it and make it sound like you're talking to a teenager. Rewrite it, make it sound like you're talking to a mother. Rewrite this book and make it sound like you're talking to a college kid, a business person, whatever. It's amazing. And then you could say, expand on every point. I mean, it's crazy, crazy good. Another way that I've been able to make money with AI, and it's so cool. Like if you want to sell a list of something, say, for example, 100 ways to use your crock pot. Boom, 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 boom. You could use it as a lead magnet to build your subscriber list in the cooking niche. That's just an idea. There's 1,000 ways you can use AI. In fact, I put together a book, and it's going to be the first link below this video on how to use ChatGPT, 10 different ways for things that you can publish online that are digital downloads that actually people can instantly download. It's super cool. And right now it's only $7. I have a challenge, a personal challenge, to sell 1,000 of these copies before the end of the month. That's my personal challenge. And if you buy a copy from me, just send me an email. And if I haven't already put it on the download page, I'm going to also include a digital download that you can turn around and resell, okay, as a free bonus. So quite the deal. But yeah, if you think that nobody will buy your information, you need to think again, because people do buy information online. In fact, it is growing every year. It's supposed to explode over the next few years because more and more people are getting online, and they're getting online to look for information. And yeah, they can get it free here and free there, but it's different when people want to read it on their iPad, they want to read it on their phone, or they just want to print it out, like if it's a guide, people want to just print it out. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to have your own digital downloadable product for sale online. Again, click the link below and you can get this guide where I lay it all out for you, where you can find some really unique ebooks, printables, planners that are already done for you that you can purchase for a very small fee and just resell as your own. Again, make sure you read all the licenses. They're all different for each shop. Or you could just create your own, and it gives you a guide on how to do that. Okay. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.